Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some important MCQs related to the crop wheat. These questions are mostly used in most of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Here we are with our first question. Which of the following is the storage pest of wheat? Here the options are given as Capra beetle, grain weevil and rice weevil. All of these are the storage pests of wheat. So our answer is option D, that is Capra beetles, grain weevils and rice weevils. Export quality of wheat is influenced by. The export quality of wheat is influenced by the kernel bunt, and kernel bunt can be determined by the NaOH test. Resistance by Phalaris minor to isoproteron herbicide was discovered by. The resistance of Phalaris minor to isoproteron was discovered by the scientist R.K. Malik. Most commonly used hybrid method in wheat is. The most commonly used hybrid method in wheat is Gojo method. What is the optimum temperature for growing wheat? The optimum temperature for the cultivation of wheat is 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Central zigzag axis of wheat inflorescence is known as. The inflorescence of wheat is spike and the central zigzag axis is known as rachis. The first roots appeared for the initial nourishment of the wheat crop are known as what roots? The first roots which appear for the initial nourishment are called as the seminal roots, and these seminal roots disappear after the crown root initiation stage, that is after 21 days after sowing. For obtaining the maximum yield of the wheat crop, how many tillers should be present per meter square? For obtaining the maximum yield, the number of tillers per meter square should be around 500. Emmer wheat occupy how much percentage of wheat area cultivation? Emmer wheat, that is Triticum dicoccum, which is tetraploid, occupies the least area under the wheat area cultivation, which is only 1%, whereas the common bread wheat, that is Triticum aestivum, occupies 87% and Triticum durum occupies 12% of the wheat area production. Triple gene dwarf varieties of wheat were released in which year? Hira, Moti and Lal Badshah are the triple gene dwarf varieties, and these varieties were released in the year 1970. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is triple gene dwarf variety of wheat? As said earlier, Hira, Moti and Lal Badshah are the triple gene dwarf varieties. So our option is option D, that is Hira, Moti and Lal Badshah. Mutant variety of wheat is. Pusa lerma is the mutant variety of wheat and it is developed from Lerma Rojo 64A. And other than Pusa lerma, Sharbati Sonara is also a mutant variety which was developed from Sonara 64. What is the spacing followed in wheat? The spacing which is followed in wheat is 22.5 into 10 centimeters. Which of the following wheat is hexaploid? Triticum monococcum is a diploid wheat, Triticum dicoccum and Triticum durum are the tetraploid wheats, whereas Triticum aestivum and Triticum vulgare are hexaploid whose 2n number is equal to 42. Jointing stage in wheat occurs at how many days after sowing? Jointing stage occurs after 60 to 65 days after sowing. Which of the following variety is derivative of Lerma 64A, that is Lerma Rojo 64A? Pusa lerma is the derivative of Lerma Rojo 64A and it is a mutant variety of wheat. What is the variety which is susceptible to the herbicide 2,4-D? HT2009, which is also called as Arjuna, is susceptible to 2,4-D because there will be the deformation of the inflorescence by the application of 2,4-D in this variety. What is the variety which is susceptible for all types of rust? Kalyan Sona and Agra Local are the varieties which are susceptible for all the types of rust of wheat, and Choti Lerma is the variety which is resistant to all the rusts. Which of the following variety of wheat is suitable for sowing in dryland conditions? Sujata and Kalyan Sona are the varieties of wheat which are which are suitable for sowing in dryland conditions. K68 is the variety of wheat which was developed by which of the following scientists? K68 is a hybrid variety and it was developed by the scientist MP Singh. Which of the following variety of wheat is developed by mutation? NP836 and Sharbati Sonara are the varieties which are developed by mutation. Moving on to the next question, Verri wheat was developed by? Verri wheat series are the varieties which are a cross between spring and winter wheat varieties, and these wheat varieties were developed by the scientist Dr. Rajaram. What is the seed rate of late sown wheat? The seed rate of the late sown wheat is 120 kgs per hectare and that of normal sowing is 100 kgs per hectare, whereas furrow irrigated raised bed system it is 75 kgs and for dibbling it is 25 to 30 kgs per hectare. What is the system of growing 2 to 3 rows of wheat? The system of growing 2 to 3 rows of wheat is furrow irrigated raised bed system. Hardness of wheat is judged by? The hardness of the wheat is judged by Perling index and by Polshink values. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.